This is my new replacement Interstate deep cycle battery. It looks the same as the one that I removed that I got from Autocraft. Probably the same battery. They only give them about an 18-month warranty, I notice. But we'll see what happens. I'm confident that I'll probably kill this battery off in a year and a half. It's a little pricier than the one I bought, of course, because everything went up. This was $113 with the core exchange, and overall with tax $125, $126 out the door. I'm not going to put the lithium iron phosphate battery that I bought off of Renogy in my trailer, simply because I'm going to be parking this for 6 months at a time. I'll have it disconnected, but there's no way I can get out and charge the battery, and they recommend that you maintain a charging regimen on the batteries on and off so they don't phosphate, or not what they call sulfate, or kill off their cells for some reason or another with the ion exchange. But this is my new battery for the coming year or so. I'll have another post up about charging it up to speed, because 12.5 volts, which is a good range for a sitting battery, but I'm going to see if I can get it up and then test it for how it functions in discharges. Thank you. Back at it, charging my new battery on the wet setting, which means lead acid. The solar panels, I just hooked it up, so it's kind of topping off the storage charge that was in the new battery. It was a bear to lift and stuff in there. My back can't handle this battery stuff. I'm really enjoying the power I get from the Renogy solar 200 watt portable panel system, but all this other physical work, and it's for the birds. At any rate, thank you for watching.